Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make your very own classic shirt on Roblox. Keep in mind that uploading on Roblox will cost 10 Robux. So let's start. First you'll need to go to classic clothing and download this specific template. If you want to make a pant, then you can download this template. But for now we have to download this template. Then we'll go to pixlr.com and then go to Pixlr editor and then upload our image. Now that we have a template uploaded, we need to check that if it is 585 to 559 pixels. It needs to be 585 to 559 pixels or else Roblox won't allow it to be uploaded. Now after that we need to delete all these templates given by Roblox. We'll go and select this icon and select the rectangle button. You can delete by selecting it and then press the backspace or delete button. After deleting all those things, we'll need to add color to the shirt. So we'll go and add an empty layer. After that, we will go to the fill button, take any color we want and fill it. And now we will have to take this layer and put it underneath the background image. This will add color to the shirt. After filling it with color, we'll now need to add the sleeves. For that, we'll take this layer and move it slightly upwards, like this. After adding the sleeves, we need to add some shading so the shirt looks more realistic. So for that, you'll need to go on Google and download a shading template. For checking if it's transparent, go to Tools, then make it transparent. Then go here and add the image. Once it's done, then we will need to go here and delete this. As the shading is also here, we need to delete this. Once it's done, you can add any image you want. I will not add any image. After doing that, we need to save the template. So we'll go to File and then Save. Keep the transparent on and save it as PNG. After that, you can name it anything. I'll name it Green Shirt. Alright, by the way, if you want to create more shirts, keep in mind that you only get 1 out of 3 daily saves. Then we have to go to create a dashboard and go to classic shirts and then upload the asset. Upload the shirt here and then you can upload it for 10 Robux.